It's a new year, and here's a question I get asked a lot. And that question is, what year should I put on my website's copyright notice? You know, that little copyright notice at the bottom of your website that says copyright blah, 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 blah? Well, I'm gonna give you the answer in this short video. And if you stick around till the end, I will give you the one exception for changing this general rule. I'm Maria Spear-Allis, lawyer for content creators, and this is the Spear IP Show. So you've heard me say this before, but a copyright notice has three elements: the copyright symbol or the word copyright, the year that the creative work was published, and the owner. It's not a requirement for copyright protection, but if you don't have one, an infringer could claim innocent infringement. And that's a big deal because it could drastically reduce the amount of money that they pay you for infringement if it gets to that level. So what year should you put on your website copyright notice? Well, if you're constantly adding content to your website by adding blog posts, by adding videos, then you have content on your website that could span a couple of years. So what year should you put on your website copyright notice? A lot of times you will see a date range. So my website, for example, was first published in 2015, but I've added blog posts and videos for years and years since then. So if you go to my website, spear-ip.com, you will see a date range at the end. That's 2015 to 2021. Now, the exception to this is if you're not adding new content to your website or you haven't added new content to your website since it was published. So if you have a brand new website that you've never added content to before, yeah, you would only have the 1 year, the year that the website was published. Otherwise, you are welcome to use that date range on your website from the date on which the website was originally published through the last date that you updated the content on your website. So I hope this helps you, and I will see you next time. Head to spear-ip.com/influencer for my latest free resource for bloggers, podcasters, and content creators.